Use the model found in the previous example 9.1-5 to answer the questions based on the model. If the solution does not make sense, then write the answer as a model breakdown. The model is P is equal to 0.18t minus 354.94, where T is the year and P is the population of Arizona in millions. Alright, exercise A asks for us to find the slope of the model and explain the value of the slope in terms of the problem, and does the slope predict a positive or negative trend? Alright, so reading the model, we can immediately identify that the slope m is 0.18. Now, what does that mean? Well, the units on that is, think of it as a fraction. Remember, we think of units of y, units of the output, and so that would be million and over 1 year. Alright, so what that's telling us is the population of Arizona is increasing at a rate of 0.18 million people per year. Since the slope is positive, and this is a positive trend. Part B asks us to find the horizontal intercept and explain the value of the horizontal intercept in terms of the problem. Alright, so to find the horizontal intercept, we would let P equal 0 and solve for T. Alright, so 0 is equal to 0.18t minus 354.94. Alright, I will add 354.94 to both sides. So then 354.94 is equal to 0.18t. And to isolate the t, I'll divide through by the 0.18. And I'm using a calculator for this step. Let's see, 354.94 divided by 0.18 is about 1971.9. Alright, so what is this telling us? 1971.9, so we're almost 1972. So this is saying in late 1971, the population of Arizona was 0. Well, gosh, does that make any sense? I know, well, I assume, I wasn't alive then, but I would assume that there were people living in Arizona in 1971. So this doesn't make sense. This is a case of model breakdown. Okay, the model doesn't work in 1972. Part C. Find the vertical intercept and explain the value of the vertical intercept in terms of the problem. All right, so to find the vertical intercept, we will let t equal 0. And we can easily identify the vertical intercept since we're in slope-intercept form, but just in case, I'll remind us, substituting and simplifying, we would get 0 minus 354.94, and so then P would equal negative 354.94. So this is saying in the year 0, the population of Arizona was negative 354.94 million. That doesn't make any sense. Okay, so again, this is an example of model breakdown.